I'm Jesse at Papago Vans. We love using the Nomadic A2 awning for a lot of different reasons. One, these vans have been getting taller since the day we started. We used to only do two-wheel drives, and we pretty much solely do all-wheel drive vans now, which is higher from the factory. And then we put on a van compass lift and then bigger tires. And these awnings are really high up. So I don't want to have to try to reach up there and pull down legs to mount legs or anything. And most of these awnings have legs. The Legless A2 is a game changer. I'm tall, I'm 6'2", and I can barely reach up there and pull down those legs. So most people are gonna need like a step stool just to open up their awning. The A2, you push a button and it comes out. You push the button again and it goes in. It doesn't get any more simple than that. We've done everything. Fiammas, we've done Domestics, we've done every awning you can imagine out there. I've had very few issues with these awnings. They just work fantastic. I would say the only time I've ever had to warranty any one of these awnings has been user error. Not putting it all the way in, going down the freeway, the wind kind of pulls it out. Aside from that, I've never seen one have any issues on its own. It's just simple operation. I can easily explain to my customers, sit there and watch it and make sure the whole thing goes in and you see that it's flush up there. The A2 is also really, really easy to adjust, which is awesome. I can show that to my customers when they pick up. Very basic tools. This whole van is moving. I mean, you're going down the road. It's like a house in a hurricane at all times. So if after a couple of years, it's not coming out perfectly straight anymore, you can jump up on the roof rack and reach down over it and adjust the adjustments on there so easily and get the thing perfectly straight again. You don't have to take it back to a service center. So the fact that it's easily adjustable on the road by my customers, it's just a win-win for everybody.